Good evening. This is CTV News for Monday, May 13th. I'm Melissa Wright.
And I'm Patricia Vallone. Thank you for joining us this evening. Well, it was standing room only as lawmakers and stakeholders gathered for another bill signing day in Annapolis. The governor, Senate President, and new House Speaker put their signatures on 181 bills that were passed during the General Assembly session. There were education measures signed into law. There were laws aimed at stemming the opioid crisis, as well as a measure raising the minimum age to buy tobacco, including vaping, to 21. For first-time delegate Andrea Harrison, it was a special day. A bill she introduced was signed today. House Bill 440 creates pathway to technology early college high. It allows jurisdictions to partner with industries and gives students real-world work experience. Upon completion, high school students can get a high school diploma and associate degree.
Know that without some additional higher learning, that individuals and families tend to be on the lower end of the poverty scale. And so by us giving these children, these young people, an opportunity, a head start when they graduate from high school, they have the opportunity to really become middle-class citizens in our society. And so we're really excited about that.
And there's one more bill signing session scheduled for May 23rd. Another major piece of legislation signed into law makes it easy for Marylanders to sign up for health insurance. The Health Care for All Coalition was a strong backer of the legislation. The Maryland Easy Enrollment Health Insurance Program allows residents to jumpstart enrollment by simply checking a box on their tax returns. Those who qualify for Medicaid will be signed up right away. The exchange will reach out to those who qualify for private insurance to help get them signed up.
On this, and our lead sponsor, Delegate Jocelyn Peña-Melnick, Senator Brian Feldman, did a great job. We're thrilled the governor is going to sign.
Public school construction, Prince George's County, public-private
these laws.
And DeMarco says the new law could help more than 100,000 Marylanders get signed up.
Police have identified the woman fatally shot in Greenbelt Friday evening. 44-year-old Betty Jennifer walked outside of an office building in the 6300 block of Ivy Lane at around 5 p.m. when a man confronted her with a handgun. Police say Jennifer ran through the parking lot and the suspect fired multiple shots at her, then fled. Jennifer was pronounced dead at the scene. Police do not believe this was a random shooting. And after 3 deaths and millions of dollars in damages due to a flooding in Ellicott City, a comprehensive flood mitigation plan is in the works. Howard County Executive Calvin Ball announced that up to $140 million will be spent on flood mitigation in Howard County as part of his Safe and Sound plan. Ball plans to demolish 4 buildings in the historic city and construct a tunnel under Main Street to reroute stormwater. Meantime, public work officials says this is the best plan that will preserve Main Street.
Safe and Sound Phase 1 addressed the warning system. Phase 2 is what we're talking about today, the unveiling of this long-term flood mitigation plan that would reduce water on Main Street and save most of the historic buildings on Lower Main Street and just all around reduce flooding in the watershed.
Ball says the plan will take 5 years to complete.